bike life for a reason. There's no stopping, there's no retiring from it. That's why the word life is on the end. You're gonna do it for life.
And if anybody think bike life bullshit, they not living.
This right here, this is a sport though. This is a sport. This ain't got no everybody ain't family.
And when we all form together, we form like this.
With all the strippers and they right. Just say Gucci and no for blessing, bitches.
How far this go?
Like golf ball.
Yo. Hello?
Where you going, Benny Monday?
Yes, sir.
Man, it ain't cold?
Oh, it's cold. I ain't gonna lie, but shit, you know, hey, I'd rather be cold. I'd rather be a little cold and ride than sit around and do nothing all day. Like I'm doing a wheelie right now, bro.
I can hear it. Hey, listen, whenever you get a chance, though, we got to. What date are you going to prison break?
It's at the end of February.
Alright, you gotta tell me the date so I can tell my boss so I can have these days off work.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.